I'm Fred Lybrand. This is my son Everett, and we are replacing our basement heater boards. I'm just going to show you in a couple steps what we did to change them out and how easy and simple it was. It'll have taken us less than an hour to do 3 different heaters with a total footage of 27 feet. Here's one that's already completed. This was the shortest section. We did it first because we thought it would be easiest. Unfortunately, it turned out that we had mismeasured one of the ends down here, which actually terminates into the wall. You can see down there. And because of that, we got one more part that we're gonna have to order. There you can see that the pipe goes into the wall. We didn't measure that the right way. Over here you can see the 10-foot section. I've taken one end off, and we'll show you how to take the other one off. This one we've already unscrewed, but does take a little bit of muscle, and you need to make sure you have the right safety gear as you take the ends off.
Just took off the parts by removing the end caps and pulling the whole side off. Then just vacuum underneath it to make sure it's clean. Now we're about to install these new ones right here.
Hi, just going to go over real quickly how we replaced our baseboard heating cover in less than an hour. So if you go online and start looking, for whatever reason your baseboard heaters don't have covers or you need to replace the ones that you have, you find a lot of guides that require a lot of complexity, a lot of tools, and a lot of time, and perhaps even messing around with your home's plumbing system. We found a much similar way and just wanted to share it with everybody. First is measurement. So we had 3 baseboard heaters in our basement. One was 5 feet, one was 10 feet, which required us to get two 5-foot elements and connect them. And the final was 12 feet. So 2 6-foot elements were connected. We ordered online from Baseboarders. Can't say enough good things about this product in this group, and just show off their website. It's super easy. Any of the steps that we show here, you can go online and find great guidance. They've got great videos. They make it really clear what measurements are needed. They've got tons of products. Our total budget for this product will come in under $1,000, so not cheap, but very easy. And again, we did it all under an hour. Once we placed the order, our delivery was on site, I think within 24 hours. It's less than 2 days later and we're completely finished. First step, once we were in the basement, was to remove the ends. Some of those had already been done because of the way that we measured in that first step. Step 4 was cleaning and vacuuming around. Again, be safe while you're doing that. We wore a face protection. Also be safe while you're doing that first step. Wear some gloves and protection when you're pulling metal. Using that elbow grease to get things open, it can be a little tricky. You don't want to cut yourself accidentally. The last step was installing new covers. Again, because of the way that the Baseboarders product is designed, it is super simple. All you do is slide it over the existing wall-mounted gear that has already been done in your house. That was it. Again, can't say enough good things about baseboarders.com. Order your heating gear from there. Thank you.